Okay, and welcome back. I just wanted to announce my entry to the 2019 group build, the race day group build with Smokin' Joe. I know that you said that we can enter vehicles that turn right, but no, I'm sticking to the left turners. We're going to be doing the Nemechek 87 Burger King, and I've got the colors picked out for it. Now this is not showing up correctly on camera. We don't know exactly how that's going to spray, but to the eye, this cap and that color there look the same to me. What's happening on camera? Wow. Bizarre. But then the red part, I've got a pretty good match to this Duplicolor here, and we'll go with these two colors. And I have got the parts all laid out here. Nothing's assembled yet. I'm not going to start until, what was it, the 17th? Now curiously, this is a 1/24 scale kit, so compared to the NASCAR truck that I'm building out there, it looks kind of funny, but the car itself, the body is bigger than the truck. Sooner or later I'll have them side by side so I can show you. But I think that we've all seen these kits. They not quite the amount of separated detail as the AMT, but certainly really good. Look at all this. You know, I've got one piece there that may or may not be warped. See there? I guess it definitely is warped, but it bends pretty easy. So I'm confident that once that's glued onto the frame over there, that it should straighten out. And if not, I'm pretty good at heating up plastic and getting it to do what I want it to do. But it looks pretty good. It's a monogram kit. This is funny here. On the windshield I've got a big crack, but I think that we can just say somebody's tire flew up and hit him. I'm totally leaving that. I like that. The chrome pieces here, I think that I'm quite positive. The whole part sheet needs to be stripped. Yeah, not a single thing on here is going to stay chrome, which is normal. And then there's some of the roll cage, and yeah, this almost looks warped, but I don't think so. I think that's the way it's supposed to be. And then more roll cage pieces over here. And so on. Now with the tires, of course, you got the bald side for decals, and then the other side if you want to actually paint the letters. So that's nice. Those are good tires. And now I think that a lot of you are probably remembering that I had an issue with the decals on this, if you remember, and I have them right here. You guys remember this video was called "Don't Store Your Decals in the Shed." I mean, look at that, just eaten straight off of there. I had a piece of something on top of this that was protecting, I think it was just a piece of paper, that was protecting all these here. But whatever was exposed, something was able to eat. And then up here as well, see that? Something just ate it right off. And so this kit has ruined decals. And I was stuck. But look what I got. So this is from Mike's Decals. They're Slicks decals. And it's for this car. I think it's for this car. I'm going to put these side by side, because I'm looking at the two main hood decals, and we got kind of different colors happening here. See that? The letters are different color, and the bun is a different color. It's bright yellow on the one that came with the kit, and then it's a little darker on the Slicks one. And of course on the box it is bright yellow. So what I might do, I'm going to kind of mix and match between the two decal sheets. and decide. So I will probably put this Burger King hood decal on, and then use most of the decals from the Slicks sheet for the rest of it. You know, mix and match. Because of course this decal sheet is much better. Has those extra decals that the kit sheet doesn't have. Oh, including the for the headlights there. Yeah, much better. And I'm trying to decide. I'm looking at scales. I'm wondering if somehow, especially the 87s. See that there? I guess they're the same size. I was trying to decide if they're actually the same scale or if somehow the Slicks decals are 1/25th to the kit's 1/24th. Don't know for sure, but I just wanted to point out that don't be worried. I do have brand new decals, brand new old decals, brand new unopened decals that haven't been eaten, decals for the kit. So I am good to go, and it is game on. And that's it. So I won't start till the 17th like everybody else, and it'll probably take me all year to build this one, of course, but I'm in. All right, we'll see ya.